Hi friends, welcome to once again C# tutorial by Prabha. Okay, now I am tell about that how to create library management system and then point of sale system. I am tell about before video. I am tell about this concept. Okay, now I am continue that concept of part 2. Okay, now I am started the part 2 of basic concept. Without with this basic concept, we can't create any software and then any applications. Okay, so we should the basic concept of public, private, and then void and static. So this basic concept of 4 events we should know. Okay, so what is that public, what is that private, what is that void, and then what is that static? Okay, so I'll tell about this step by step in this video, this all concept. Okay, so it is important to create an any application, Java application and the C# application, any application. Okay, so this concept used to every software. Okay, so by using this concept we can't create without this concept we can't create any application. So it is important events. Okay, so it is one of the basic events. Okay, and now I am telling this concept in this video, and then next video I am tell about that OOPS concept. OOPS concept is important to that every software. Okay, the Java application and then C# and then Python, everything. Okay, so every concept, every type of application we can create by using that OOPS concept. Without OOPS concept we can't create. Why means I am tell about that step by step in future video. Okay, now I am started this 4 events of 4 methods. Okay, these 4 methods I am tell about in this video. Okay, now I am started this what is that public, what is that private, what is that void and static. Okay, okay, void does not return any value. Okay, so void is I am tell about this concept also and then this also. Okay, now I am start to with C# by using this 2010 Visual Studio 2010. Okay, so I am tell about this in Visual Studio C#. Okay, now I am started here. Okay, I am already created that OOPS concept of project. Okay, it's basic concept for create C# and then C# coding, and then I am tell about in future video OOPS concept. Okay, now I am started that what is it. Okay, before using this method, this private and public and then a static void, before using we should use that class. Okay, what is that class? I am tell about in OOPS concept. Okay, without concept of class we can't create any this method also, private and the public also. So class is important. So in OOPS concept, so I am tell about this what is that class I am telling in future video. Okay, okay, now I am tell about this 4 concept of private and public and the static and then void. Okay, now I am starting that what is that. Okay, it is that form load event. Okay, see this form 1 load I am so to design. See, this is form 1, I am develop this form. So this form load event or form 1 load event open here. Okay, so this is not important, so just I am go to next create one class. I am tell about this class in future video. Okay, what is the class I am tell about future video. Okay, now I create the class. Okay, class here I am declaring that class name. Okay, so what is that class name? I am declare that first class. Okay, first I am declare that first. I am declare first. Okay, here open and then close bracket here using. Okay, so this class name I am declaring first. Okay, okay, now I am create another one class also. Class second. Okay, so 2 class I am created here, open bracket and then close bracket. Okay, 2 class I am created here. Okay, tell about that class in future. So now I am starting here first class and then second class. These 2 class used for derive that public and then private and static void. Okay, so now I am declared in this first class I am using that first of all I am tell about that public. What is the public? Okay, so now I am go to tell about that public concept. Okay, first see here I am showing public and then private and then void and then static. Okay, so what is that public? First of all I am tell about this public. Okay, now I am declare here public void. I am declare here any one function name. Okay, so in this first class I am declare two function, and then in this class I am declare another function. Okay, so in this class I am declare one function. Okay, what is that function? Function means any variable. So I am declare here just tutorial. Okay, like this I am declare and this two open and close brackets. Okay, now I am enter open bracket and then close bracket. Okay, so like this you can declare means this is the function. Okay, what is you are declared that one of the name after you declare the two bracket, the open parenthesis and close brackets, like this means. Okay, like this you can declare means that is the function. Okay, so this is function. Okay, so tutorial as a function in this class. In this class this is first function. Okay, this is first function, so I am declare the tutorial function. Okay, next I am declare public and then void. I am declared here teach. Okay, teach function. Okay, this is another one function. Okay, like this you can declare. So in this first class I am declare two function. Okay, two functions. So whenever using this like this parenthesis, the bracket, at the time this is called as function. Okay, so this is function and then this is also function. Okay, wherever you are declaring that all are function. Okay, wherever declaring this open parenthesis and then close parenthesis, that is all are the functions with this character. Okay, okay, now I am telling here how to call this function, two function, to second class. Okay, so first class I am declare two function, and then second class I am not declare any function. So how to call these two function in this second class? Okay, so now first I am go to clarify 15. Okay, 150. So I am zoom it. Okay, first class and second class. Okay, so I am declare that these two function and then go to how to call this. Okay, so now I am go to declare here one of the syntax of C#. Okay, C#, why declaring this like this syntax? It is the one of the basic language of every language, C#, C++, and then Java, everything contains the syntax. So like this I am declaring syntax, but by using this syntax we can call that. Okay, okay, first I am go to declare this class name. Okay, this class name. So just copy and then paste here, or just type here first. So automatically the property auto suggestion properties open here. Okay, so it suggests to us. Okay, it suggests to us to we can use this. Okay, and then first I am declared here, I give here one variable in that object name. Okay, so variable name I am declare any name. Okay, just I am declare that ABC, like this you can declare. Okay, equal new first class, this open parenthesis and close parenthesis, like this you can declare. Why you declare that is don't know why means C# is like given here this type of syntax, so that is the reason we can't ask anyone to that C#. Okay, so like this you can declare here. Okay, now here ABC available here. Okay, the ABC I'm called ABC dot, here having that two function. Okay, so we should first of all I want to declare that once again here ABC I'm declared here one of the variable name, any name triple S I'm like that, double S also like that I'm declared here, and then go to next. Here I am declared sorry, we want to declare the public concept also here. Okay, so just I want to declare here public. Okay, public void here I am declared that one function name. Okay, any name you can declare. Okay, this is I am declared the third. Okay, like this you can declare and then open bracket and then okay. So in this first class two function having here, and then in this second class one function having. Okay, so in this function I am declared that this class first class. Okay, so this first tutorial and teach, these two function I am called to from first class to this second class. Okay, so these two function I am called to same class of this function. Okay, so how to call it? So like this you can declare, and then you declare here ss. So here suggest. Okay, so suggest, auto suggest you declare ss dot c, here having that function, all of function. Okay, see tutorial and then teach. Okay, so these two function auto suggest here. Okay, see just again also I'm showing here, see here teach and then tutorial. Okay, tutorial and teach, so two function called here. So whenever you are using this public, at the time we can find here suggestion in this suggestion property. Okay, so that tutorial and then teach. Okay, these two function I'm called to here. See just I am go to declare first here tutorial, so just enter. Now I am declare that means no error occur here. Okay, so no error occur here. So now I am tell about the property. Now I am tell about that private. See private, what is that private? Okay, so now I am go to tell here I am declared here two function in this first class, two function available. So in this two function I am declare second function private. Okay, private. So suggestion, auto suggestion used here. Okay, private. Now I am show to here and erased it. Okay, now I am also here changing variable, any name you can ABC like this I am declared here. Now I am going to declare ABC, so auto suggest here. Now I am given dot any name what you are using here, that one you should here. Okay, so the first class I am called to this variable name. This variable name used means what is the declaring this first class. First class you using two method, two function you called here. So that declare here, so the two function you can call here. Okay, so here public means you can call two method. Okay, but private and public I am separate. Okay, everyone separate. This one and this one, public one and then private one. Public only we can't call like this, private we can't call here. See tutorial is a public. See public I am declaring tutorial function. Okay, that tutorial function I am declared in public, teach function I am declared in private. So we can't get here private. See, tutorial only available, teach not available here. Okay, so we can't get, whenever declare that private, we can't use any another class, we can't use any another class this function. Okay, private function we can't use any another class from first class to second class. Okay, so whenever using the public, at the time we can get here, function. So public function we can get here. Okay, so this is different to public and private. Private means in this location only we can call, private means another class we can't get. Okay, from first class to second class we can't get function, the private function we can't get, but public function we can get from first class to second class. Okay, just leave it. Okay, what is that void? Void means void and static. Okay, so now I'm going to tell about that void. Does not return any value. Okay, does not return any value. So what is that? I'm telling many more place it's telling. So and then also I'm called here Control C, Control V. So like this two method I'm declared here. Now I'm go to here dot I'm declared means, so the tutorial also not coming here. Okay, tutorial teach. So this teach and then this tutorial we can't get here, we can't get in this property. Okay, suggestion property. Why means this both are private. So I am declare here public means we can get this, we can get this two function. Okay, so tutorial and then teach, these two function we can get. Okay, just I am declare here teach, so no error occur here. So this is the public and private difference. Now I am tell about that static. Okay, now I am go to void means auto return, does not return any value. Okay, now I am tell about this void also. Whenever I declare that static, at the time only you know about that void. What is that void? Okay, so what is means void is does not return. Okay, so I'm just tell about static method. Okay, here static, whenever tell about static, at the time you know about that void concept. So I'm go to tell about static method here. Okay, so just erase it. Now I'm declare static. Okay, I'm declare static, but here error available. Okay, here error available. So how to find this error? So we should declare that auto returns value. So return value, returns does not return value, void contain that does not return value, but static return value is contained. Okay, okay, now how I declare that return any one integer. Okay, like this 0 and declare that on. Okay, why I am declare that one object to return means it is the one of the integer. Okay, 0 and declared here 0, but returns not here also error available, here also error available. Why means this is string, this is not string, so this is integer. So I am declared here int. Okay, I am called here integer means this error not come here. Okay, so the auto error, so return value accessed here. Okay, so static here using. Okay, so see here I am go to tell about erased it fully. I am erased it. I am declared in this public, this one also public. Okay, teach also public and then tutorial also public, both are public. So I am declared here ABC dot. So we can get that teach only, but we can't get that tutorial. Why? What is the problem? Okay, so we can't get the tutorial, but here available in public. See, tutorial in available in public, teach also in public, but we can't get here tutorial, that public value. Only teach value property only came here. This teach function only came here. Why? Why means you are declaring static. So how to call this? It is the one of the very simple way. Okay, using this method, just remove it. Okay, this method you remove it. By using this method, you can easy way to call this tutorial function also. See, this tutorial function also we can use very simple method. Okay, see, just call that first class. See, this class name of first I'm called to here. So just declare that first. Okay, dot. Now this auto suggestion property suggested to us tutorial. See, this tutorial function called here. Okay, like this you can use. So this is difference for static and then void. Okay, so void means here void, but I am declared here return 0. Okay, like this I am declared. So error occur, but static not occur. Okay, so here also I am declared here int. Okay, see, available error. Okay, void means not return. Here does not return that value. Okay, see, now I am tell about this. Now you can understood. So does not return any value does not return that void, but static used for return value. Okay, so we can return that value. See, this tutorial value, this tutorial function of 0 value, we can return to this first third class. Okay, from first class to second class of this third function. Okay, so first function, second function, this third function. Okay, first class, second class. So in this first class of this function of tutorial function of first class, we call to third function of second class. Okay, so like this you can declare. Okay, static whenever declaring at the time return value possible. Void means we can't return value. See, same function, and then this one also same function, but here declared void, but here declare static. Static means return value possible, void means return value not possible. Same syntax I am given here. Okay, see, here I am declared here again also first I am declared first dot tutorial only came here. Okay, and then I am going to declare this static copy and then paste here. Now I am show to here dot both value. See, teach and tutorial, these two value available in this function. Okay, now I am going to declare the teach. Now this function call to second class. Okay, this function call to second class. Okay, like this you can get. So this is difference of public, and then declare that now private. Okay, like this and declare. So now here error available. So just replace here this name equal to here. So this error not possible. Why means this is public and then static. So like this you can get. Okay friends, now I am tell about that all concept of public and then private and then static and then void. Okay, tell about this all concept of in this video, this part 2. Okay, for create the library management system and then wide static for point of sale system. Okay, so this wide static and private public everything used to create any application, not only library management and the POS system. Every project, whenever using that C# or any concept you are using, means at the time you should know about this 4 events of concept. Okay, so it is one of the basics and then important concept to create an application. Okay friends, next I am tell about that OOPS concept. OOPS concept is very important. Without OOPS concept we can't create any next version upgrade of project we can't create. Okay, OOPS concept very important to create an application and then implement two application. Okay, so it is very important. Without OOPS concept we can't create implementation also, and then can't create application also. Okay friends, next tutorial we will meet, and then you this type of this concept you are liking, just subscribe and then share it. Okay, now I am tell about and next in video I am tell about the C# tutorial of OOPS concept. Okay, thank you, bye from now.